Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
My leg is broken. Good, man. My leg broken.
Good. I'll walk you outside.
My leg is broken.
Stand up, man.
I'ma stand up. My leg broken.
You're not getting broken. Stand up. Stand up.
My leg is broken.
Stand up.
Jackass.
He choked me and I was already in handcuffs.
I let him leave, actually.
Let him live.
Yeah, I let him leave.
Perfect.
On June 27th, 2023, Orlando Police Department officers responded to a disturbance at Orlando International Airport.
Okay, this guy right here, he's assaulting. Okay, I have to
Listen,
so he doesn't. So
the counters are closed for right now. Okay, the counters are closed now. The counters are closed for now.
Oh, I'm glad they're closed now.
My man. Listen. Why are we on that stuff right now?
You are a whole ass liar.
Listen.
Touch me.
Listen. Everybody can't act right
My
now.
refund and I'll be on my way.
We're closed now for temporarily. We're temporarily closed for now. They're not doing anything at the moment.
And I'll be on my way.
Bro,
Don't touch me,
bro. If you put your hands up, don't touch me.
Hey, stop.
Don't.
Give me your hand.
Turn the fuck around.
Choke me out. Hey, don't try to. Coughing up. Last nigga. Stop what? I ain't doing nothing. Go on your side.
I'm not fighting you.
Now you got a fucking place to stay.
My kid is right here.
Stand up. Stand up.
Good, man. My leg broken.
I'll walk you outside.
My leg is broken.
Stand up, man.
I'ma stand up. My leg broken.
You're not getting broken. Stand up. Stand up.
My leg is broken.
Stand up.
Jackass. I'ma stand up. My leg is broken. Hey man, my pants is falling down in front of all the street. I'm telling you, my leg is broken. How the fuck what I'm talking about?
Limp on one foot.
My leg is broken, dude. My leg is broken. I don't know why you trying to push me. My leg is broken. Y'all gotta get a gun or something over here. My leg is broken. Hey, get my bag. Hey, Lou, get my bag.
Can we go after you one time? We're all complaining of a broken leg.
I don't want to leave without my children. I'm begging you to let me go.
Let her go, man. My kid, my son over there.
Stop yelling at us. Stop. Man, y'all got it on record. Thank you, please. 216-370-8342. Text it to me. I have a disability. She strong-armed me. I hope y'all got that on camera. She choked me and I was already in handcuffs. This white lady right here. Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Y'all had no camera. Thank you. She dragged me in the house with disability.
Bring your towel.
I keep asking you to let me go. Record my husband, too. Record my husband, too.
Well, he's getting charged at attempted murder too. I'm gonna put that on you.
You choked me.
You made me pass out. You choked me out and made me pass out. You're getting that attempted murder charge too. See, there you go.
You a fag. You attacked me. You got the worst of it. You a bitch.
All right.
At the center of the confrontation was 41-year-old Edward Harrison. The interaction raises serious questions under the Fourth and First Amendments. Officers made initial contact during a reported disturbance at the ticket counters. Under Terry v. Ohio, this constitutes a lawful investigative stop. Harrison's verbal confrontation, however, profane, remains constitutionally protected. City of Houston v. Hill establishes that profanity directed at officers does not meet the threshold for criminal conduct. Once Harrison physically engaged with officers, the encounter escalated to an arrest. Graham v. Garner governs all force analysis from this point forward. Graham applies three factors: the severity of the crime, the immediacy of the threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. All three weighed against Harrison at the moment of physical contact. Harrison was charged with attempted murder of a law enforcement officer under Florida Statute Section 782.065, a charge requiring proof of intent to cause death or great bodily harm to an officer. The prosecution must establish that the alleged chokehold was applied with specific intent to kill. Intent, not merely the act itself, is the dispositive element under Florida's Enhanced Officer Protection Statute. Once Harrison was on the ground claiming a broken leg, a separate constitutional obligation arose. City of Revere versus Massachusetts General Hospital requires officers to provide or summon medical care for injured detainees. Repeated commands to stand without medical assessment after a consistent, specific injury claim creates due process exposure for the department, independent of whether the injury was genuine. Harrison's allegation that an officer applied a chokehold while he was already restrained in handcuffs is legally significant. Post-restraint force is evaluated under a strictly higher standard than force during active resistance. Under Graham, any force applied after a subject is fully secured must be the minimum necessary to maintain control. A chokehold on a handcuffed subject would not satisfy that standard under any established circuit precedent. If substantiated, this allegation constitutes a potential Section 1983 civil rights claim and a criminal use of force violation independent of Harrison's own criminal liability.
That's what happened. Tough guy.
We'll see you in court,
Tough
man.
guy.
We'll see you in court.
Tough guy, and everybody around.
I know. I wonder if you can get him on.
I was trying to get a taser. We were all mangled.
Oh, I know.
I couldn't get to nothing.
No. I wonder what kind of. So originally I pushed his hands away.
Well, I was standing there and I saw him. All I said, people in front of me, I had to push him out of the way because I saw him do that.
Yeah.
And then it was just, you were all over.
Well, he was doing this. He was doing this with the
saw
keyboard,
that.
and he was doing this, and I was like, bro, and I pushed his hand away.
Right.
He's like, don't touch me, and he hit me, and I was like, bro, do not do that.
Right.
I was like, you need to step away right now, and I put my hand like this, and he fucking hit my hand. He pushed me, and then we just went down.
What was that? I'll do it. Calm down. If I keep behind my butt and stuff, that's weird. Face the wall. Spread your feet. I can't spread my feet that far. You already hurt my leg. Okay, I didn't do that, so. Who dragged me from behind? I don't know, ma'am. You're assuming I did everything? I don't know why you are putting this all on me. I understand you're frustrated, but I did not do any of that to you. I was dealing with something else across the hall. That was a man who dragged me? Okay, I don't know. Somebody dragged me. I don't know. Sir, I'm sorry, but why are you all of my belongings? I just got checked in the airport. Okay, we don't know that because you didn't go through TSA yet, did you? I did, yes. Okay. Our flight. Okay. We had to get one off that flight 4 times. Okay. I've been checked already. Okay.
So I was like, okay. Then we went down the ground, and just on top of me, like, I lock him. It's on camera. It's all right. It's on camera. Well, yeah. Then we were in the ground, dude. He had me like I came down like this, and he was on top of me, and I was like, I was tapping out, bro. I couldn't see shit. Yeah, they were all there. We were on top, and then his wife jumped at him. Yeah. And his wife was on top of him.
Right? So actually I did the opposite. I let him live, actually.
Let him live.
Yeah, I let him live.
Perfect.
No, I could have. That's the difference. It's a difference.
Perfect.
It's like you can kill me with a gun, but you don't, right? Right? That's what you're saying. You just sound like a clown. Like the rest of y'all. You sound like a clown. You thought he was about to rush me.
This is perfect.
That's what happened. He attacked me first. He thought he was about to rush me and got the worst of it.
Harrison also faces Florida Statute Section 843.01, resisting arrest with violence. The statute requires willful, knowing resistance by offering or committing violence against an officer in lawful execution of duty. His defense may invoke Florida Statute Section 776.012, the right to use force in defense of person. Florida courts recognize a limited right to resist when officers themselves apply unlawful force first. This defense is narrow. The burden falls on Harrison to establish that the force he responded to was objectively unlawful, not merely that he believed it to be. The Bodycam footage will be central to that determination.
Yeah. I think they need to like shut down these ticket counters over here.
Yeah, these guys are creating havoc out here. They're like making phone calls. They're with them.
Oh yeah.
They're saying that group. They're telling their family, oh, they almost shot us. They acted like we were terrorists.
I'm not even gonna be able to type. Look at, you see, this is all I can put in there. That's more than enough space. Okay, you can probably slip your wrist out, but please don't.
That one's locked. We'll leave this one loose, okay? Just don't slip out of them.
Can you, can you loosen this one?
Hang on.
The right one?
This is screaming.
Let me tell you what happened. I called the airport and they told me to come to the county that they can give us hotel vouchers. You don't know that. You don't have a flight over in 2 days.
I ain't talking about you. She told us I don't give a long time ago.
We're going to try to figure out what's going on.
Shit.
Try to figure out what's going on.
You wasn't here. You just came here,
We're going to try to
sir.
figure out what's going on.
You just came here.
We're going to try to figure out what's going on.
You just came here. Hold on. This is what happened.
saying nothing because they don't have to.
We was on the plane.
They know that
Right? They took us off because they shut the door and 4 people came on the plane. So they took us off for security purposes. Right? They put us back on the plane. They came again and said the air conditioning ain't working. We're going to go get the maintenance people to fix the air conditioning on the plane. The pilot came out and told everybody on the plane told the truth. So now we get over here and they tell us the flight is canceled due to weather. Now, then they tell us we got to sit in this airport for 2 days with no voucher, no food, and we got kids. And we called the place and they said it's up to him to give us a voucher. You know what he said to me? I'm not doing nothing for y'all. How dare he talk to me like that?
That's what he said.
That's what he said out of his mouth. How dare he say that to me? And she said she don't care nothing about us. How dare you treat your clients, your customers like that? That's very disrespectful.
Jennifer, did you want any of her information that I have that I ran?
How are you tonight? What happened, man?
No, I just had no criminal history. That's all. Boy over there trying to rush me.
Never much of
The worst of it. Then they attacked me and broke my leg.
Airport 5.
What's going on in your leg?
Airport 5.
Where's it?
Guys didn't work. It was giving us some kind of error message. 3 times I tried to log in. The line is ridiculously crazy because they don't have enough freaking employees. By the time we got to a representative, we were 5 minutes, quote unquote, past the 45-minute mark, and they're telling us we're late. And we're like, man, we just talked to 4 of your employees. The kiosks aren't working. We weren't late. The machine isn't working. You guys have a long, ridiculous line. It's not our fault. We were here in the time frame you say be here. Please print our tickets. We have to get home.
What happened? You fell or did something?
Yeah, Karina's the other one. I don't know them. And there's, I think, 2 juveniles
Right there.
over there. They seem chill for now. I mean,
If that was in your situation, and we got kids, so we got to sit in this airport for 2 days with nothing to eat, nowhere to sleep. What that would be something you have to, call and speak to their.
We asked him to do that.
We did that. We called them.
And he said there's nobody above him here.
Come on.
It's a cop car now.
Oh, you had it?
Ground and it fell off. No, it's
Somebody had it. I found.
10-12, because I'm going to go back there because my glasses are gone.
Listen, what's your first name again?
Jayna, Jayna.
Jayna. Last name Amos. And what's your date of birth?
You want 587?
The woman in the pink hoodie exercised constitutionally protected conduct, recording the encounter and soliciting bystander witnesses. Her temporary detention must be independently justified by articulable suspicion of criminal conduct. The absence of public court records in her case suggests either dismissal, diversion, or a decision not to prosecute consistent with insufficient, independent legal basis for the detention. Edward Harrison receives a grade of D. The alleged chokehold on an officer and sustained physical resistance in a public space cross clear legal thresholds. The charge filed reflects conduct the law treats with maximum seriousness. The woman in the pink hoodie receives a grade of B-. Her conduct was constitutionally protected in substance, though her approach intensified the volatility of an already dangerous environment. The OPD officers receive a grade of C+, Stabilizing a multi-party disturbance without less lethal deployment reflects sound tactical judgment. However, post-restraint medical neglect and the unresolved chokehold allegation are serious deficiencies. Lessons learned. First, verbal resistance is not criminal conduct. Arresting or escalating force against a subject solely for profane speech is a Fourth and First Amendment violation, a line officers must not cross. Second, an injury claim during arrest triggers a constitutional obligation. Dismissing that claim without assessment exposes departments to civil liability under City of Revere, regardless of whether the injury is later confirmed. Third, all force applied after handcuffing is scrutinized independently. Once a subject is restrained, the legal justification for further force resets to near zero. Officers must treat restraint as the end of the force calculus, not a continuation of it. Fourth, legitimate grievance does not authorize violence. Harrison's family had a genuine and documented cause for frustration. That context is relevant to sentencing and civil proceedings, but it is not a legal defense to a physical assault on a law enforcement officer. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.